Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to do chicken salad. For this recipe you will need 2 chicken breasts, 1 can of mixed vegetables, mayo, mustard, and half of a lettuce. Okay, so let's get started. We will need to boil our chicken breast. Let's go ahead and cover it with the lid and wait till it's ready. Our chicken is now ready. We're going to go ahead and shred it. Okay you guys, so I'm done shredding my chicken. Let's go ahead and add our mixed vegetables. And I'm going to add half of a full lettuce that I have here on my container. I'm going to add mayo before we mix it. Okay, let's go ahead and give that a mix. Okay. Lastly, we're going to add a little bit of mustard. Let's go ahead and give that a shake. Let's go ahead and mix this. And here you guys have it. Chicken salad ready. Now I'm going to add some chicken salad to a tostada. This is the final result. You guys can always add hot sauce to give it a little bit of spice flavor. So this is a really delicious recipe. I hope you guys enjoy my recipe. If you guys give it a try, make sure to leave it down in the comments. Make sure to subscribe and give it a like. I'll see you guys on the next one.